In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ebook landing page in Podia. We're going to create this by first setting up your ebook as a digital download product, and then using Podia's built-in site builder to turn that product into a clean, conversion-focused landing page. This is a great approach because it keeps your product delivery and your sales page connected in one place. Start from your Podia dashboard. From there, click on your site name, then choose Admin from the drop-down menu. This takes you into the main backend area where you can manage products and site settings. Once you're in the admin area, click on Products. This is where all of your offers live inside Podia, including courses, downloads, and other digital products. To begin creating your ebook, click New Product. Now, enter your product title. This should be the name of your ebook, or at least the main title you want visitors to see on the sales page. After that, choose Download, since an ebook is typically delivered as a digital file rather than as a course or membership. Then click Create Product. After the product is created, you'll land on the Product Setup area. Under the Files tab, click Choose Files. You can upload your ebook file here, such as a PDF or EPUB. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the file into the upload area. Once the file is added, make sure it finishes uploading properly before moving on. This is the file your buyers or subscribers will receive after checkout or sign up, so it's worth double checking that you've uploaded the correct version. Next, click on Pricing. This is where you decide how the ebook will be offered. If you're selling it, set your price here. If you're using it as a lead magnet to grow your email list, you can choose the free option instead. Podia makes both approaches simple, so just choose the one that fits your goal for this ebook. Once your product setup is ready, go to the upper right corner of the product page and click the three dots. In that menu, choose Edit Sales Page, sometimes labeled Edit Page. Podia will automatically generate a default page layout for you, which usually includes the product image, title, and description. That gives you a solid starting point, so you're not building from scratch. Now you can begin shaping the page into a stronger landing page. In the website builder, click the plus icon to add new sections. This is where you turn a basic product page into something more persuasive and polished. A strong place to start is the hero header. This should clearly present your ebook title, a compelling subheadline, and your book cover mockup. The goal here is to quickly communicate what the ebook is and why it matters. Next, add testimonials. Social proof helps visitors feel more confident, especially if they're hearing about you for the first time. Reviews from early readers can go a long way toward building trust. Then add an FAQ section. This is useful for answering common concerns before someone leaves the page. For example, you can clarify what format the ebook comes in, who it's for, or how delivery works. FAQs help reduce hesitation and make the decision easier. You should also include a bio section. This gives your page a more human feel and helps readers connect with the person behind the ebook. Even a short introduction can make your offer feel more credible and personal. As you customize the page, you can click directly on sections in the left-hand sidebar to edit text, update fonts, and adjust colors so the page matches your branding. If you want the page to feel more focused and distraction-free, hide the page header so visitors stay centered on the offer itself. Before publishing, check how the page looks on mobile. A lot of visitors will see your landing page on their phones, so spacing, readability, and button placement all matter. Once everything looks the way you want, click Publish Site in the bottom left corner to make your ebook landing page live. And that's it. You've created your ebook product, built a dedicated landing page around it, and published it inside Podia.